I always hate having to do addendums to videos, but the video that I just uploaded this morning, I have recently heard back from some of these manufacturers about the SDSs that were missing in action. So the very first one that we have here is Shine Supply Trim Paint, $34 from their website. Reached out to them and they finally got a hold of me and sent me a copy of their SDS. Dated in 2019. Primary ingredients of concern, let's find it here, is pigment 3 to 12% and dipropylene glycol monomethyl ether 1 to 3%. So this is a solvent and dye essentially. So move on to Mother's Back to Black. They sent me an updated one from the one that I had. I was actually trying to get the CMX one, and so this is what I received from them in addition to the CMX. As I said yesterday, or this morning, in butyl acetate, no difference there, so I'm not sure what was updated. Mother's CMX Ceramic Trim and Restore. This was the second of two that I received from Mother's. So the primary ingredients of concern in there: alcohols C10, C16, ethooxylated, morpholine, and a non-ionic surfactant, which is something that bonds it to another surface or another chemical, so a solvent. Shine Armor Plastic Restorer. I couldn't find this on their website anymore, and I don't know if they still sell it or what the deal is, but I looked on their website to try to show you the product. Couldn't find it, so I had to go to the page on Amazon where I bought it back on August 9th. So they sent me the SDS, and it says Shine Armor Revive Scratch and Remover. So I don't know if this is the right product. This is what they sent me when I requested it. So looking at the SDS, the chemicals in it, it might be, I'm not 100% sure, but it says petroleum, that's essentially petroleum distillates and mineral oil, 10 to 25% of each, so very heavy on the oils. I guess we'll find out. And finally, Solution Finish. Chris West, I know him personally. I've met him at SEMA. We've done business in the past. We used Solution Finish in our shop. Talked to him on the phone this afternoon for about half an hour, and he said that this is a modified or milled carbon black. It's solvent based, and it's a true trim restorer. It's not covering up anything. It actually will restore the trim. It is silicone free, and he's coming out with a product that can go on the top of it called Over the Top Plastic Sealer. It's not a ceramic coating. So there's your update. Thanks again, guys. Sorry I had to put this video out, but there you go.